Ghana for your mom nyina adwo ye mo kwa abada wo ba Adom TV Nkwa Hia dwumade no so enne yasesem okra wo hwe machi a wotumu se ye pia free studio ya ba abonten na ne nyina no egina da wo ba ye bo de afa World Diabetes Day ye di dana dadade nanso enne no eho hia se yesa hyemokena ye di mu nkomo na ye hwe ne topic no diabetes of the eye. Esichi yade ya achi yani efra yani de na wose ye ne de boy yani no eho ban ene entna free sabre kosise no so ebebo apemu fasida no ma yen sponsors a boy chidom na bribie Nkwa Hia dwumade nso nya kwan na uhwebie eye endpoint homeopathic clinic ye do mase page 1 salon and I yet no amame Romeo collection so and amame na shirt ye nyumwe ehye media fia amankwa tamaklo yenko na yenko to yenko modien Nakwa baby farm Adom TV Nkwa Hia dwumade no so said ye wudi kan ehwe ye intro ye kan ye no wani tu ya se ya wada no eye da ye yidi si ho bodewro afa diabetes eho asichi yade no say asichi yade no baby otimi eba ho say ye say itimi kura affect wani asichi yade na no wan hweni ye itimi kura affect wani adofo ne de ya bo awram ewo St Thomas Eye Hospital. I had it as a nino kwa and woman show and to see a did a be to say no. There's the intimate cobe beer, just see a baha, not your near doctor phone a waha. One more hair near Cassiani Munkuman. You know, we didn't come. Timmy Wamianka Samina Basson or Papa Bua, Dr. Sandra at our mills. A man in young one would need me that our baby. A coincidence. And any dino abeshia. Dog and up I was an opay. Young one covered over Adom TV so. Yeah. Don't worry. Dog chino and shedanya isa, but obeka on it, brofuni na or the bekan. Before I'm in a dog crab dim common, mamma fasted at my endpoint, homeopathic clinic, or gusuan so yen free screening, no, Messi, memmano, more prostate and mummy moho by you. He, yarion. Ebi unyare ya can say I will brushing it out na o kasakeke. Koni and check it. So prostate bibia you okay. Cancer be and fan home beijing. To see free in the 10th anniversary, no, Konian Yamau, a man so a woman some no a problem, the man has an infection, and I joe one of my bosswa, call endpoint homeopathic clinic. No, so you free, and for my also did 10 years on your shay, or dear Brano show free. Say be or honum now, person one yama obey, so person could be so. Dr. Dubois, any problem. Fred endpoint, it was 0244 867068 0244 867068 and which in your would be a how endpoints a yen in abbey for any show. Another Roman over Chidom, page 1 salon. I actually come up, bring your baby or Doconian says you to come. I now home to me and your fit. Dog, Miss Amwa Quad you. Miss Amwa Quad yeah, that's it. Yeah, aha. Na pato oye deni.
Mie koboni.
Provoka sakwa dia na metekura af mani so. Si yemo obi akwa ba kan say. Ana ni so kra wonte. Enya hwe ye nka we wa ha. E de ye ba be di nkomo afa diabetes of the eye.
Yes.
Before ye be your topic ni nyina kwa ye kasa diabetes kra ye dia.
Diabetes ye yare bia ewo moja ni mu. Okay. If I were to say it in English, it's a vascular condition. So basically something that affects the blood.
Then it affects the blood, and then bad blood anymore.
The food that you eat is broken down into glucose. That enters the blood. That's what gives you energy. If you have too much of that, then that's when they say that your sugar level has gone high. Yes.
Continue say be awosha da mix a situation and sugar and so on.
There be.
Aduane na ye die no.
Patron.
Aduane bi ye die bi et me affect ye et me ma ye diabetic.
Patron. Most of our foods are carbohydrates. They are very starchy, so it's broken down into sugars in our bloodstream.
There's a carbona and a problem no.
Patron.
Mohadie, your bass St Thomas Hospital, ye new one or motion.
Patron.
Wait me and confirm your mamma said any problem. Oh, Ghana, high. Pay more high kakria usha.
It's very high. It's very high because the thing is, Nkwa Hia omo sheda emba for regular checkups. Omo train. So omo problem. That's a problem. Ne serious. That is when they come.
You check up. This is area and Sunday.
Yes.
And any problem now.
Exactly.
Obeka se nti e kosoro. Ti e hwe san e kosoro no ma mema nkwada ne mpenifo. Ho amu de na wosoro.
All genders, all socio-economic groups, everybody is at a risk of developing eye conditions. Yes.
But you share reported cases now. We share ma ana mpenifo ne nkra ho amu de na wosoro.
Usually it's very high in impending for older people.
Like ages from?
From about age 50.
Okay.
Yes, we see a lot of cases in them. Children also in Kolanso. See a lot of cases.
Hey, out of home, me here do any dear muye. Intini say, dear ye dino yen sheni if he said, you would be no one shana be already would do here nay any brainty ham, Weberham, we will run a homo, a sichi yadi, and net dear, yes, diabetes of the eye. Quanya, a sichi yarianum so ebe affect winnie, a home como and yedi, a Adom TV. Nkwa Hia Jumedi. Memen de be numerous 6:30 p.m. ya de brone dem see a pie aba abonte maybe a wa de space on kwa na me ho around wa hase. Just a new one someone kwa. But for men me TV no yes why you busy tena se ne hye. E be dim komo ne be wie no. Wa na obetru meka. Ida so obeba ha na hospital be be no akɔhwɛ wani. Yem pick check up. I don't know dog yem pekra ye tie nya ye ka ho bi just be bi asiansana ya Russia koye and also
it's very bad.
Very bad. Yen share diabetes of the eye. Ye den na sichi ya de e kwachi ye ni.
Eninumunu, there's a part of the eye, the back of the eye is called the retina. Okay, is the
part dem say ya my am from soccer kai o san ka o pe say dem wo sa machine bi o ba nanka okay retina mo de nanka
yes that's why we have been there
sir because yet pie ne dey o san ka nya gadget no but even before they be na see echi ha bebre
investigation machines yeah they share enino nti machines be ewo ho a ebetumi ascan wenino. There are some other machines ebetra weni echi picture. So yeah, they measure the curvature of the eye or how round the eye is. All these help us to, give you the best of care.
Okay.
Yes, and to be able to resolve whatever issues you come to us with.
I see. Yes, how do you self-contained?
Self-contained.
Investigate you and
very much extensively.
Papa, young twas on that watch the ebema when and diabetes are affected when
so the retina is the light-sensitive part of the eye. The retina is fed by blood vessels. So if you look into somebody's eye, you would actually see blood vessels inside the eye. So basically, any condition that affects the blood vessels. Okay. Okay. Inti retina no ewo weni nechi. Okay, retina no ewo blood vessels bebre, the blood vessels in there. So we share obi eni no more ubehu blood vessels, veins, arteries, and some capillaries. Inti yare bia etumi affecting moja no, ebetumi affecting weni. Okay, inti yare to say diabetes, ebetumi affecting weni. Yare bi to say hypertension, ebetumi affecting weni.
Okay. Yes. Not just say we no obia or ye diabetic, a high risk.
Yes.
Say a bit me affecting any. Sir,
yes.
Will be on your diabetic and sway. A bit me a hanemy.
Sir, obi ye diabetic, I obey to me some other problem.
Okay.
Yes, but for diabetics, omunya condition a ye friend of diabetic retinopathy. Should say retina no ebesisa, it changes from the normal.
How? It changes how send it change, you know.
So you can have bleeding on the retina, the blood vessels will change. Okay, you can have bleeding. Yes. Okay. You can have bleeding, you can have detachment, you can have exudate. There be bleeding no ebeba when retina nimu. In some cases, who nim say moja ewo retina nimu. Okay, just say wo ba hospital, say wo ba na doctor know the machine be say or share, then you see that yes.
Okay.
You have bleeding on the retina.
Okay.
Yes.
And then also mostly diabetic patients.
Diabetic patients, yes. That is if you have diabetic retinopathy.
Okay.
Also, the other thing is if you've been diagnosed as a diabetic, you've been diabetic for very long, it
like
increases your chance. If you've been diabetic for about 15 years, you have an increased chance of developing diabetic retinopathy. And the sad thing is for baby diabetics, but omu Inti ebia obi beba or about 60 years. He's been diabetic for 20 years, but onim.
No one medro.
Obeba hospital doctor menino to me who are dear. Ube share retina neswa na we hu moja bebre, exudates bebre. Inti yebe test, yebe share moja mo will do some other things for you. And in most of the cases, ebeba say nipa no ye diabetic. Yes. That is one of the factors.
Oh.
Yes.
But you bet was about Nkwa so DNA.
In Colano,
because we live diabetes for a long time.
Yes.
Maybe a cry. Or no one's Nkwa so Nkwa diabetic and so a cost room. This is a cry. No, the chances say Benyan and Nino a low.
Okay, so there are actually two types of diabetes. Okay. There is the insulin dependent and the non-insulin dependent, type 1, type 2. Type 1 diabetes is usually congenital. Yeah, they will.
Family.
Yeah, family. Yeah, they will. So usually those children almost to me develop some complications of diabetes, especially if you have not checked to see that the child is a diabetic. Outside, usually when the children are born, you are aware that Wobano on to me producing insulin. So some of them inject themselves. So that child, right from when he's born or when he grows a bit, he's controlling. But here, we don't check. We are not aware the child will live till about 15 years, and then we begin to have problems. Then when you do your research and you check the child, then you see that the child has problems.
Nkwa Hia, and I will show Adom TV so mumma yenye sa regular checkup no ehun hia ehun hia mumma yenye ne ehun we no ntem se ya me sure say medru ba bia obenya ohaw ewo ani ewura ha kakra ekura no obi ani bia me hu ye no nani no aye sebi wa se egira mo nani ba kono minim how ye me sure say by the time you be dog ba kire me because on the ba kono aye sa say ye adwuma say nye adwuma me ntimi hu but say wani say ya ye no hwia enye tidinti na wote ho o me check wani na omo maso oden kra ne say ti say omo nipa menu bi a minim omo pa omo hwe me ya sheda aka che won mani no monko omo view aye so omo ye obi dog serious o ya sheda akwa ama ye hunu say mo problem omo sisi ho 400 Ghana ne adinti omo te.
Please, the eyes are the window to your soul.
Catch your mommy. Can you see more monte? What can go for? Okay, dog. Also, when you know anyone high, any or cania. What the now?
Yes.
And she said, won't teach him out bad day. Maybe more a feel uncomfortable because my con myself. No crack. Oh, won't check your check. Who got a mock or checking is a problem more. Movie. No, just a hamio. No, serious. Yeah, quite end of year say. By now, I thank you. Obi name the health status.
Yes.
So yeah, you fee. Any year the boom. Now when near what day you go actually. Better well. One got check here better. By the time I beba out, there is a baby say I know.
Yes. Most of the time, by the time you realize that your vision has been affected, then it means it's gone on for quite long and it's quite serious. Yes, but when you come to St. Thomas, we would be able to help you.
St. Thomas, for Mona, Monsan Crata, and Mess Nkwa Hia. So, decided, oh, woman, Jim, or 1 year the Massa Besso, but a near my baby, sure say, penny for the Cratan, but not my best sponsor, because Nkwa Hia. See, Yamosana, Bibia Mobanamudi, yen train ma. World Diabetes Day man sana kwa ya bodewu once a one ya bani aba bekyere ye nkomo nti ye hwe diabetic patients no e dey na omonye ebu a say de o kan ye de awo no e dey na onye o de bebo ne ho ban afri se na ni obenya problem won ani ho.
So most often what we advise here is for the person to see his or her regular physician. Just say doctor or show de biano. When it's a doctor ne be kasa. E be a doctor no be ma wako hu doctor or share eduane dimu, a nutritionist or a dietitian. Inti sa doctor no be sure say e be a say who di eduane way the quantity way starchy foods no reduce the maybe more vegetables, we bet to make the fruits way, So usually we leave that education for the physicians and for the nutritionists and the dietitians. We work hand in hand with them. Ideally, if you are diabetic, as I said, we share we need you do comprehensive eye checkup once a year. Your fair baby dilated eye exam. Your the best saw when you know na people know ABA. So people need BA. Doctor no be share all around the eye. Or be share or retina. Or be share
any problem that I normal.
No, normal any. So what diabetes and I say who need diabetes you are advised at least once every year. Or at most once every 2 years. But say what diabetes you have to make it a must. You have to have your eyes checked.
And crying in answers
all children, they should have their eyes checked. Yes. You don't have to wait until you or your child has a problem. You have to check.
Yenshe dear nani make us say to say I will be any. I didn't yes, sir. Say color be a bed dazzle. And no,
yes, sometimes a injury, when you know so. Didn't to me see somebody who likes fighting. We bet to me aboweni a kubeba weni no so say kun say yan treaty a crony year and I say one treating a cry a bet to me see a bimo a bia many meya not wako drugstore wako to a draw then the medication make whatever condition it is worse because it's not the right medication. There are so many factors that can lead to the person having that kind of eye.
As a doctor, no, I recommend this. Obisi na ni ya ebi osi Apollo aye no, the nike kano. No have walking in.
Yes.
Ako pharmacy shop. No na make abesi na. No ankasa ako. No ako as Apollo aye me. Me a man drew. I advisable sir.
And yeah, advisable because, for example, Apollo. The real name for Apollo is conjunctivitis. Conjunctivitis, no. Conjunctivitis, no, yeah, what different types. Okay, so when you hear red, there can be a lot of reasons why your eye is red. So we call eye clinic, you be with history, we'll ask you, was it sudden? Was it gradual? Is it something that has happened before? Apart from say when you know eye koko, no, how else do you feel? Na doctor na show. Ebia ebeye allergy. Enuti na when eye koko. Ebia ebeye infection. Ebia ebe to me aye another problem. So depending on the problem, depending on what the doctor sees, obema we draw. So eye medications are not like one medication for all red eyes. No.
And for friend number we say na any Dr. Penny Nkasa 0244867068 0244867068 na any Dr. Eduwate any enkomo na daroma ene no die aba be piemu wo St. Thomas Eye Hospital ya yedim komo World Diabetes Day and yen so yedi afa diabetes of the eye. Nti ehun komo eni yedi no. Me kasa bebre fi se wo ha na hu ohaw ne atete a ebi efam ye ne Dr. Sandra Atamels na edim komo yi. Do yen samu akwa babiem. Ye nua.
Ye nua.
Thank you. Nti yen hwe se ne de kese ye ka diabetes ho asem ne de na ye de aba bewura enimu. Nti se koba se nani no nya problem sa no a de na e wo se oye e de ebo nani no ho ban.
Okay, nti se uba ye the machines Beshel.
Okay.
Dr. Beshel. So we will do whatever we can to help you. The most important thing for diabetics, what we tell them, why we ask them to always go back to their doctor, is that they need to keep the blood sugar under control. Okay, because basically, wubenya diabetic retinopathy because you are diabetic. Okay, it is a share with blood sugar, no, so blood sugar, no, if it's controlled, then as your eye doctor is also attending to you and helping you, then your condition would get better.
It's almost an you recommended glasses, and glasses beer.
So, Bana say glasses bebwawa, then we will give you glasses.
Okay.
Because diabetes, also to me, cataract in the eye. If you are diabetic, you're actually at a higher risk of developing cataract.
Diabetes in your heart.
Yes. So when you come, we'll check the cataract, we'll check the maturity of the cataract, we'll check your blood sugar also. We will do a bit of counseling if we see that your blood sugar is high. We would ask you to go back to your physician and back to your nutritionist or your dietitian. When your blood sugar is under control, then you come back to us. If we give you glasses and the glasses would benefit you and help you, then yeah, sure, we'll dispense the glasses to you.
Nkwa Hia na wo hwa Adom TV so me de fia ma Nkwa tamaklo crew ni nyina wa ha na yesi aba St Thomas Eye Clinic ha na yedi nkomo no ye nkomra na ye nkwaje nkratu ye ba nsam na akachire no e betwaso. Nkwa Adom TV Nkwa Hia na uguso a wo hwe ne diabetes of the eye ho nkomo na ye die na be hia me pa se menua we mechanical ho fitani a omo electrician phone omo so ade ni na carpenter phone nyina so mo wo bi so ho o pa infidi o pa nua o pe no won se dua bi abo e de a hye wani nti no ye na ye ton nuane toto nkokọ no ne ade nyina ase so so tena se na wo hwe bi ebewie no ubenya wo chefa ewo do yensa emu akwa aba na yento a yenkomodie no so before ye koje nkrato no kan cataract yes wo kan ho asem ono so diabetes no so obehemu wo hobi.
Yes, so diabetes you are at an increased risk of developing cataract. Cataract an age related thing. So na cataract about when you
cataract no any eternal.
Exactly.
Okay.
But so we are diabetic, it increases your risk of developing cataract.
Yes, and not fast.
Yes.
And only the difference between and only retina
retina. Okay, into lens no. So when you it means that the lens of the eye has changed. Like the camera lenses, lens of the eye no air focus light no echo retina no so. Okay. Into lens no a bit to me any problem. Retina no so ewo we ni echi and no so bit to me any problem. Into say eteba we ni no lens no aim to me and refract light ni onto the retina. Yes. So instead of say lens no be a transparent structure, a be white. Say a white light into me film to the inside of the eye.
Problem na na de no ho ba. But so be o won ma be hwe nani no so no. Me hwe odie ya me hu bibi os but e bi obehu nani so I say bibi da so. Yes, or quack your operation. A dinner a happy bema be able to do, so be an eye ready, once on a different color, kit where be, wouldn't get it. By the time I realize I was fun and no man, no idea, a yakessy, and I didn't a better day in the summer.
Okay, your condition be a your friend of pterygium. Pterygium no eda or conjunctiva no, so conjunctiva the white part of the eye.
Okay.
Ebimu to me develop a condition a your friend of pterygium. Pterygium no basically because of our weather. Okay. Also say we ejuma wo abonten, say we ejuma wo ebia by the seaside. Say we ejuma smoke, you are exposed to a lot of smoke and fire. Pterygium. Yes. Market women, fitter for welders.
Now, what to come now? Big car too mussy, which me affected.
I can get that.
Like car too mussy. Smoke a free car too be to me affected.
Okay, not if it's a one-off thing, but say yes. Like for example, say smoky fish on a large scale. As I say, will protect you when you.
Yeah, with the eggs.
Move to me share glasses to protect the eye.
You better know so. Now, Kobani say ya, why when it's here? Presla man come on ten so Ghana folk didn't come up beside one say so. Wakra wouldn't say diabetes, it may affect it, Yeniana. Young what ye, the almost name a defa diabetes of the eye. And then, I will be more. Ewo or brass spot ewo circle. Maybe nian mubi enemy ma me mobile betche in komo. And maybe someone say empended was saying and I will call eye clinic and eye hospital. Why am I fui and sembe bunui? When him said diabetes, I a friend is situation. It to me affected obaku fuini and now obia what diabetes no or what the high risk cell or non so obenya in yariana. Meaning at the presla anaman. But when in the mechi, Abra minimum will be a quack to chain common. Mom Patrol, if I say besides, when was the last time I called to check you in?
That was last year, but men kai date.
Men check him anymore.
Oh, me check it, but me say me okay into me town hospital.
Last year I check it.
Maybe fortunately for me, my friend be a optometrist. Regularly be a because I be out to me manage checking my
Me thank but last year me quiet and a doctor advised me say I think every 3 months I should come for checkup.
But personally, you won't check here.
Oh, me check it because I jog, I eat a lot of food, I do a lot of exercises, so I don't check.
Patrol, when him say you'll be a friend diabetes of the eye.
Patron, I mean him, papa.
Yeah, almost me can, but I don't know.
Matissa.
I'm hearing it for the first time.
And I say when you have diabetes, it give you poor vision. And I mean, so I am checking my sugar level. And I exercise a lot. I don't eat sugar.
Patrol, now glad to see how she is medicated and medicated.
No, when you're medicated. Because of the sun.
Patrol Debbie. Like I say, it's for fans. What do I say? Sometimes to prevent dust, and I feel like putting it on.
Yeah, that's a Priscilla man, so no, na Ghana for the Wawanichi. Much ready or when an adventure, so he said, you can't be ano or Boronanga, were inside the high and more AD and common. Theatre say, Uguso Shatum TV, Nkwa Hia. What are your titles? But if she had dear Wahapa, Timfania will be keke. So we 200 more. Yes, I bear me day, Audrey. And I'm Hassa, the Kufado skills in Namhasa, no horse age out. Before I acquire Jake Voss Pop or Nobano, near can be a mile lens. Then almost shame for more or money home buying. Okay, once I sunglasses here, also. And Nubina. Mechanic and to and from protecting any and fish a can say or more to fish and be no one talk and from protect your money and I dare no money.
Okay, into for mechanic for no to me I share goggles. Goggles no I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of stuck to your face so that it can't be any exactly.
And we are torn away.
To me, no baby, almost on safety equipment. Nti baby,
not necessarily so by hospital and but baby, I ton
safety equipment like helmets, reflective jackets,
okay.
Because for the world, there's no say, oh well, the metal able to me at all we need so. It's just a say will protect you.
Na man also.
A man almost to me share goggles, no, but at least you know you have to protect your eyes from the smoke in some way.
Protection. She said, "Me will be shame, and one or the other and many now we invest in me idea. It's also born in who by said because even a jackra tissue were near your problem. Yet the DNA boy, Yamra Hospital says in Thomas, Namume, space, ye, she may be Anna. The mom to fish and a space will be a mom.
Yeah, and yet like the exact same type, but similar.
Yeah, okay. Into way, you know, but a name, my memory way. Into the Atunton of Montana, I say, we are boy a pumpum tania, cotonia, yasheno, okay.
There be, and no, most of them, almost like a UV protective. We hear sunglasses are our UV protection. Ubenyano or eye clinic, good eye clinic like St. Thomas. Ubenya UV protective sunglasses.
Tino dear memano and number more tuntono. Air for life.
Air for life.
By a boy and in who bank a craft from a Viana shows I don't know doing your bishes Anna near a protected craft.
And you know, most of them are just tinted. Or one color, that's all. But it's not UV protective.
Okay, no crown effect, a benya effect boy anyone.
Exposure to direct sunlight for a long time, over some time, yes, it does have an effect.
But me can't sunglass na yatono.
And no, it will not protect your eyes adequately. Yes.
But supporting in some way.
Not fully. I actually will not advise. Okay. It's better, say, ubenya UV protective ones instead of just buying the tinted ones outside.
Okay. So, and then you have St. Thomas Eye Clinic here. How did I say, I know Nkwa. I also the move. It's also more investigations. Now, me say, be a actually from for police for by investigation. But say, I no more answer no investigation. They also the film now. Viewers no so no need to say. And Nino, and no life. You're quite ye baying and Nino Baco as a problem. Ye bay says, man who says he be one kind, you know. Woman who and yan a fault. See a bantama, keep be a bit corrected. By now, ye bought the rule of diabetes. Now, yan so ye show diabetes of the eye. Ye shall say, ye by this time. Testimonies, a beba, ye becko. Now, the film near investigations and no. Moyendi, ye peer the near pea. Dog the year film near she how will be what problem, diabetes of the eye, no baha, process I do a film. Yes, I'm more quite baby, not Sabre Ocean Moa Haseya, many dog a sababi pure on the betray. Baby, I yababi dree, Sabre, ye free OPD. Now, yabe dog, I also a heifer.
I have a doctor's consulting room. Okay. Where your friend is slit lamp biomicroscope. Simply called the slit lamp. It is a local eye clinic, machine way na doctor or the share we need. Machine way ebe magnify the structures of your eye. So that doctor know be to me whatever the problem is.
Okay, and I will say.
Where your projector way and one a year or OPD. So baha ye be projected so that we be kind. Okay. And she say, oh yes, sir, doctor no be who send ya who are there.
Okay.
Send ya who are there. Okay. In this over consulting room, na say doctor ne share wa depending on the problem. Obema wa call refraction room to do refraction. That's test for glasses. And now say obe call investigation room. I call ye test.
Okay. Investigation room, what they say for her, free by but what can be about glasses, no?
Pachowine.
Many must say, no. They say, baby, I dream, who glasses be brave.
Pachowine. Ain't so we are refraction new year, na wabaha, so baha, ube selective frame.
Me and a selective
one. Pachowine Cassandra, Obeboa, now was selective frame. Can I have a look at one of the frames? Inti se o selective frame na se e bia frame we se e fata wo na se wo pair.
Okay, selection by say fataw.
Patcho wan.
Okay.
Inti se wo pair frame we a Cassandra the frame no be call lab. Na onwe yi we e wo inside na omo de wo lens no a chef frame ni mu ama.
Yo inti yes me buy ya me hu no na me yi me de na ma hye.
There.
Oh, okay. Inti de wa ha nyina nkra ne mpanimfo ne nkokra de nyina wo.
Patcho wan.
Yo bia. Inti we obi betimi select we.
Yes, inti we UV protective sunglasses.
When ne proper.
Yes, inti we be ma proper protection from the sun. Patcho wan.
Okay, but anya de boys ntonton wo wia no so no. We ni
UV very high quality, yes, UV protective.
Okay. And you wouldn't say no bo.
Oh, there be. You want it, yes.
Okay.
It's affordable. It's high quality, but it's affordable.
So, because I did Sandra and Cassandra Asria to say, I said I affordable.
Oh, very, very affordable. Very, very affordable. It's a wide range. So, we pay metal and I say plastic. So, we pay kesiani bi and I say ketwani bi. So, we pay rimless and I say full rim framer.
And why be a draw be any BBM? O select all the near the court.
Patcho wan.
Lens nashim.
Patcho wan.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's it. But who say me cry me the cry? Ya near your pepem bi. Once some my case no who won't say na and near my shim. We mumi who we. Any case, no say na case na say tissue friend say
lens cleaner.
Eshem eno no say na esi maintain no because ebi mu me hwe we ya na asama we so e de aka ho ye maintain ne say because ya na ebi de ya fin ye de ya makeup aye mu man who say makeup bia na ye fin ye the normal soap eno mu ni ade na e wash
we betumi the normal soap, even liquid soap.
Oh sir,
we betumi the ahohoro. Then you dry it.
Okay. The back cleaning also so.
Cleaning also where you clean cleaning fluid into we be spray on the glasses. Now with the way up a pass.
Okay. Nessa no. And I just say sabe bi na.
Just say we sign with you fashion.
Okay. Ntiado for said the onim no St. Thomas Eye Clinic and a hospital. I have so pa bibi e ha wo ni hu bi ade e so oba ha. Nkwa Hia ene ne ya ba ha fi se ne da ye tu de si ho bodawro afa diabetes ho nti ye ba eye clinic ne de na wo se ye de bata ho and doctor enu mu asem nso diabetic fo no e high risk se e affect won mu ani nti ne ye de aba awura ha nti so ye diabetic patient a doctor tu ye fo bebre waduane de wo bibia mu carbon do so ate so nti sa itime so enya ohaw ye hwena ye ne omanfo bi makasa ye free screening ye ne omo so edi enkomo ye kwaba Sabre ya babe piemu ewo eye theater shadow so some say ye wo St. Thomas Eye Clinic ena ye di enkomo ni aba ha se bia wani na wo se ye operational aha ne ya ba ya beto ye nua bema Peter McCaffrey oye nursing officer ewo ha Peter, you welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, try aha theater ya ba ha ye hu fidie bebre e den ni den na moye ewo ha eni hu adwuma na moye de but machines no you rahanuma first thing I also say ye dey.
Basically, no, I theater, eye theater, and if I say ye uni surgery, ahana we no, because any so delicate, no, we use state of the art equipment. Where your friend microscope, you were different types. Now you surgery. Until we know one of the smallest one. Anything that you hangi was true or no. The cataract surgeries. And so you say you will need cataract surgery, and you be using machine way. The friend yes, infinity, a free alcohol. eno na ye de laser cataract surgeries. Okay. Machine no so back so bi wa ha. Where your friend no constellation. Constellation. Eno na ye de major surgeries. Surgeries are ye be ye wo ni nachi. Say who diabetes retinopathy machine way na ye betumi. Without this machine no yen to me ye diabetic retinopathy surgery. Before betumi aye surgery no with this machine, so you need an advanced microscope. So this is the microscope you use diabetic retinopathy surgeries. We are one of the advanced microscope. And the nurse now or doctor no so and also or share baby or TV no so. And he said doctor no do baby or who say okay you do a ha and he dey here no or the bemano. We so you were teaching eyepiece and you were doctors minu na me ye no ba ko be hwe wo eho na main surgeon no so be hwe wo ha enti basically no we na ye de retinal surgeries. Sometimes it takes about 3 hours and up to 4 hours before you bet me awie retinal surgeries.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Enti me hu beds 3. Na is put me fa any part 3 at go.
Aye.
Okay.
Say ye wo doctors bebre obi aye any specialist. And the way so obi any cataract obi say you the region we bakoso ye retinal surgery and you were different doctors who operate. Sometimes they operate at the same time. Yes.
Okay. You better say papa panti ora Peter Makafu so and or the afamu san and say a day when need surgery and watch it ni nyina no 0540 125450 0540 125450. Nkwa Adom TV Nkwa Hia na Ugusua Oshano ne St. Thomas Eye Hospital hane ye wo ayedi nkomo ahwe diabetes of the eye. Dog, you say the baby ye dua ha eye he because me say entrance ni ha nso ye he fa.
Aha ye reception. Inti se wo ba ha wo be call me nurse ne ho obe register o. Inti from here wo be call your vision room pacho. Inti Seuba vision room na Abi, can you project? Yeah, the projector no be share wo vision. You be to see wo vision.
Okay.
You be share send ya who idea. Okay. Na Abi, there are 2 computer ni mu.
Okay.
Se oria obe susu wo eye pressure.
Okay.
Or the machine way. Be susu wo eye pressure.
Okay.
Inti se oria na wako doctor no ho
pacho. Ti se oba mu na so call reception kwa. Onu mu wie ni process e ma folder. Aha ne baby a obeba first.
Pacho.
Okay. Ti se ye free ha no ma na ye kwa he.
Na wako the doctor's consulting room.
Oh, okay. Said the odi e fe mu ho no.
Pacho.
Okay.
Inti se doctor ne show na se se wunya space wo be ye refraction test. Aha ye refraction room.
Refraction room.
Pacho.
Okay.
Inti se oba refraction room na ye be ye refraction test amount. Ye the space be share we ni na.
Okay.
Ya ye test
okay.
amount.
Okay. Okay. Di free ha na fe ye kwa he.
Inti se space ne boawa obe call wo doctor ho na doctor no obe approve space na wa ko Cassandra ho na wa ye arrange
it obi be ha no ma ya de ne be call refraction room ho but na pay like
yes your cases bebrea nipa no be ye refraction but obe catch you say mempe glasses. Okay obi nso betumi abaha ohia glasses into on bar refraction. Okay. Yes. Okay. Into on bar refraction.
Okay, dog. And then why are dear papa? But for advice a chat so if I'm gonna phone you teach you no one more diabetic kwan ya wo so omo fa so ehwe omo ho yie na wo mo yare no enko affect wo mani.
Inti se wo ye diabetic a ese wo hwe wo eduane di wo. Okay. Se ese wo ne wo doctor kasa, doctor no be try eduane a wo betumi edi ene eduane a ese wo di. Se doctor na ma we draw a ese wo nom edro no. Ese we hear regular exercise at least betumi akọ 20 and I say 30 minutes walk. Also ese we share we need at least once every year we hear comprehensive eye checkup.
Okay. Yeda Dr. Sandra Tamils as papa wo ene St. Thomas Eye Hospital. Yeba ye bedi enkomo share diabetes of the eye. Wache niema bebre na free screening also omo e benefit ye no e dey ya onso se ani won mo edi nkomo ti ani bi mo kodi enkomo ye beto aso. That me mo akwa ba do ba Adom TV so nene da na obepia
announcement in it.
Announcement be na oti.
Announcement about diabetics and then internet by.
Now ba ya check it.
Me online.
Online mo e dey bedu so.
Enra me nko school clinic wo no. Ena me ti so mo ya announcement. Ena me ben wo mo si sugar yare efreti neni. Nti bisa ni so ntina me ni ha ya kokwa na no si ha mi bomode na me bra. Nti me si se me ba na me de na ba.
So wo be check it wani no. You say the queue say nya no so.
Davi.
Ya da sepa ma me nko me ma me.
Enra me wo fie na me ti se omo nanso. Ente anoba na me se me ba behwe. Na me ba e.
Na ba ye no mo sesen.
O ma hwe me.
O ma sure. Wani mi eni na hunu bibia kama.
But tenye too much say.
Na wo se obo ho ba ho. Ya da se wo ti ye want na fie na waba. Ma me nso me mo akwa ba.
Ye nua.
Da da du pie ha.
Pa cho enra me ti se ma me ekua e ka wo. Abobro nkosua. Nti ena mi so mi si mi ba be cheki. Ahwe se ne amene so.
Na wo ba ye se amo aka ABCD no bibia ye okay.
Mi hu kakra ma hu bi nti mi ko akọ hu doctor na me hu senior eti eye.
Yepa se wo hu kakra no wa hu bi na wo ko cheki. Mame na hwem kakra e. Na bibia boko de.
Boko.
De na du pia ha.
O minya text message. Say omo ye ice cream nti na me ba ye.
Na ba wuti make an bi de.
Me kan bi.
Bi na wo pass e.
Bio yegu so.
Beye. Nti na yemra me ma me ho nso ma me mo akwa ba.
Ye rula.
Kan we ABCD na wi.
Me pacha.
O pass ni na.
Me pacha.
Yeah, sure.
Me pacha.
Ene se hwe ha wani no. Bibia ha wani no, mo se bibia ha.
Omo si international me kwa ko hu doctor.
Kwa ko hu doctor. Mo ma me ko haje anso hoy. Haje mo akwa ba. Na what me aka ABCD na wi.
Na bi ma ka bi me tumi nka bi.
Want me anka bi. Na ya wo wani ha kakra.
Ai.
Na da na wote.
Miti wo mi hwe buburu ko sian. Na miti.
Ma brand ya papa me mo akwa baba Adom TV.
Enua.
Na wona do ba ha.
Me hu advert on TV so na e ma me so me ba me tina me hwa Adom TV
ma ya de pa ye na wota check wani de.
O da bi me am tan check ba we na se me ti se wo me tina. Me te ye na ba.
Mame na ene me nkasa kakra e. Utimi kan ABCD no.
Me tumi ka.
Ni nyina wo pass e.
Me kai.
Da na du be pie.
I knew that me to hospital no mo chom no mo kasa se amba hwe anim. Na e ba hwe me di ma biro na aba. Me so me wo ho. Me so me ni ya me ya na me de bai. Nso mo hwe ma ka ye ko hwe doctor.
That's it papa. Enti no ye nuanom bi a wo mo te ye wo mo aba ye wo mo free eye screening. Na wote say ye ni binom nso akasa no na say de wo no an eguso aye bodo opportunity nini we wo say free senye free na wo ba me ye sure say wo betua ba we ye se bra na ye show free na ye moye ni no ho ban me da say onso unya time na wo hwe bie ene Nkwa Hia dwumadie a ye boa no de bre wo no aha na bre ma kwan ne de ni nyina siaseda no de ye mfa ma endpoint homeopathic clinic for 0244 8670 dog number ya na fmeni show 0244 867068 0244 867068 Yada Saro Parease, ono na director Priscilla Naman, Audrey, yada omase papa Jack Lord, ono so na share sound on Mr. Quadison, and so yeah, camera no ma yeah na fame friends Ukrainiana and I age yana me obed ya me show bia ene moon so edite ede emaye yada obi bia se St. Thomas Eye Hospital for yada omase nti odo ya abraha na eye wani Nkwa Hia na one wo mo adi enkomo wo mo matayeko nti wo ba ha se ya o mbe hwe wani na afi ho nsem nyina me de afia mo Nkwa Atamaklo da sane Nkwa ne ahoden wo ho a ye be se hia